Today we are going to learn that how to download the high resolution imagery with the help of SASPlanet. So over the website of SASPlanet we have the different versions available from 2017 till 2022. You can download the latest version of images. When you will run the application, there are different images are available like Google Earth images, Google Hybrid images, satellite images are also available over the software. So click on the application and you will see the map. Google Map will be appeared on the main interface. So if you want to download the satellite imagery of any city or any area, you can do so. You can decide to how much level you have to zoom out this imagery. Moving on further, you can also focus on likewise you want to achieve the level of Z20, zoom level 20. You can click on that. You can measure the things in this software. Radius as well as in measurement, line measurement you can do so. Then you have to select the area for which you have to crop down the imagery. After the rectangular selection, you have to select the zoom level and then move on to the stitch where you have to give the output format in which you have to save your imagery like JPEG or GeoTIFF. Then you can save it as anywhere you want. Furthermore, there is an projection also available. That means your imagery is georeferenced and you can import it in any software or ArcGIS. After importing, click on the arc map, open it and then add on the imagery. After downloading from the SASPlanet, you will see that very high resolution imagery has been loaded in the ArcMap and it is georeferenced. So that means now you can do digitization or any other process or analysis you can perform on this imagery.